Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you're all fine. Last week we had some problems for which we could not upload any video. But now we will continue our videos again. Today I will share a very helpful video with you all. We know how turmeric is so beneficial for our bodies. And if it is organic, it's even better. Last year my mom planted some turmeric rhizomes. We had to do minimal care of it. But it turned out very good. In between there was some problem. The plants were eaten by the squirrels or the rats. But there was no problem as we managed it. Today I will tell you how to grow organic turmeric in a pot step by step. Choose the right pot. Use a wide pot 12 to 16 inches diameter. Let me tell you one thing. My mom did not use a pot. She used a 10 kg rice bag. Whether you take a pot or a bag, make sure there are drainage holes. Second, select good organic rhizomes. Use fresh, plum disease-free turmeric pieces. Look for buds, as on the rhizome small bumps. Third is the most important, soil mix. As we do organic gardening, the soil should be also organic. Here is what my mom used: 40% garden soil, 40% compost, 20% coco pit. And compost means kitchen waste compost. If you want to know how to make a kitchen waste compost, you can go to our channel. My mom planted this turmeric plant in June-July. You can also grow it in February, April or June-July. The main part: how to plant turmeric plant. Break rhizomes into 2 to 3 inch pieces. Each piece must have 1 to 2 buds. Plant 2 to 3 pieces per pot. Like in this bag, it has 3 rhizomes. Keep the buds facing up. And finally cover with 2 to 3 cm of soil. Sixth, watering. After planting, water lightly. Keep soil moist, not soggy. In summer, water every 2 days. In monsoon, check soil first. Seventh, sunlight. This plant does not need 6 to 7 hours of sunlight. It needs 3 to 4 hours of sunlight only. Avoid harsh afternoon heat. Morning sun, afternoon shade is the best. 8 point. This is the most important: organic fertilizing. Feed once in a month. My mom's fertilizers are banana peel fertilizer and kitchen waste compost. And instead of water, she uses onion peel fertilizer and rice water. Now we come to the main part: harvesting. Turmeric is ready in 8 to 10 months. Leaves will turn yellow and dry, that's the sign. And when the leaves turn yellow, stop watering the plant. And we have to remove the whole plant and look at the turmeric. Before looking at the turmeric, tell me what these are under the turmerics. As we planted it first time, we also do not know what these are. Look at the turmerics. We had only planted 3 pieces of rhizomes. We have more turmeric plant. When they grow, we will surely harvest and share a video. If you want, you can plant it next year. That's all. Bye bye.